So I'm going to mark out the ring. I'm going to mark out the ring where I want the main bezels and where I want the flush set stones to go. So now I've made the ring and I've given it a file, a very rough file, but that's fine because what we're going to do is cut into it and drill into it and create burrs and lumps. So we will have to file it again after that. So I just wanted to, I don't need to get to a finished file, and this is just a bastard file. This isn't even a number one. So, which is fine, like I've just explained. So what we do now is we figure out where the seam is, because there's a little bit of indication because I haven't filed it perfectly. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can point it out with something thin. Just there. You can see there's a little divot, and that is the solder seam. Solder seam. When you construct a ring, the bezel or the stone, the centerpiece of the stone, of the ring, sorry, is always soldered to the ring opposite the solder seam. So here, this is, if I put that as the solder there, here is where we're going to put the bezel in the center there. So I need to drill a hole here. And what I would like to do, my design, is we're going to use this gold tube as the central. I'm going to have two smaller gold bezels offset, like so. And that's going to be a bit bigger. Like that, and another one we'll do down here. And maybe another random one here. There we go. The little organic arrangement. And then what we're also going to do, so we're going to need the outside diameter of both these bits of tube, is we're going to drill holes for the flush set stones. So if that is my pattern, I might do another one. Let's do like a little cluster. Gold bezels. And then one random over here. Okay, and then what I'd like to do is a really pretty little swirly design. So they make a little design like this. Almost round. In the middle we'll do a half. Okay, so I'm just playing now, sorry. what we're going to do is get the automatic hole punch. Ooh. I'm actually going to use a hole punch. With a hammer. The reason I'm doing it like this, which is going to be called pierce, it's going to be pierce soldering, it's called, which is making a hole in the metal, drilling a hole in the metal, and placing the tube in the hole. So when you come to solder it, the tube is held in place. Seven bezels. Okay, so now we need to set this in the drill vise.